Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your speaker SOUNDCORE Select for Go available on your iPhone? So, I already installed the application what SOUNDCORE offer for the speakers, and if we open it, right here we can add device. Then we can click at this earbuds icon here, and to see supported devices we need to tap at the setup manually. Then we scroll down to speakers, and our model is Select for Go. Right here we haven't this series, so we need to go to more. And right here we have our speaker, so my short answer is yes, it's available on your iPhone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!